In order to achieve this look, you would need some protective shields, some super bond hair glue, and a wig cap. Also, a blow dryer and whatever flat irons you have will be good too. So, I already put the protective shield over the cap and I'm just blow drying it until it's not sticky anymore. Of course, I had to watch Young, Rich, and African, my favorite show. I got these bundles from Amazon. I just read the reviews. I think they were about $80. You know, you could get whatever lengths you get. I just like to layer the lengths. I also pre-cut the tracks. I measured them out. I layered the shortest track on top so that way it's easier for me to pick up. I like to fan out the track before I put the glue on it so that it doesn't touch. So I just kindly spread the glue across. I'm kind of like fast forwarding this because, and I put it in like a U shape, not straight across. I put it in a U shape because I want the hair to fall towards the face. So it's kind of like going in a horseshoe shape to like almost like midway up the ear almost, but it's following the entire back of her neck underneath where her braids start. So that way if she lift it up, it won't show the whole back of her braids and stuff. So I'm just gonna repeat the steps multiple times. So I'm just holding it tight. And as soon as this glue touches the cap, it pretty much hardens. It gets stuck up there immediately. So I'm fast forwarding through this because it's the same thing. So you could kind of see the U part. I closed the closure of the U by just cutting some tracks across. So that way it could fill in that gap, but it can look really full at the top. You can also do this in like a middle part method as well. I'm remembering this from back in the day when I used to do my own quick weaves, but I used to do a bob and I used to do a closure with mine. But yeah, I think this is so cute, and it also saved me like $150, I swear. My daughter, she always gets her hair done and keep her hair done. And honestly, with these 2025 prices and the way life been going, I need to find time to DIY things at home. So that's what I've been doing more often. So here I'm just gonna lift up the cap and I'm gonna cut it. That braid underneath is the leave out part. So you could do a thinner, no, I wouldn't do no thinner than that because you need the hair. She kept hiding from the camera though. But, do like a nice size braid so that way it'll cover the hair once you flip your leave out back. So I'm just cutting the cap and it's like already dry. So it's kind of giving lace a little bit. And it was a little bit wet underneath it. And there was a little bit of the shield on the braids. But the shield is water soluble. Is that the right way to say it? So you just take like a wet, warm cloth and you rub it out the hair and it'll come right off. Even when you remove this, you run warm water in your hair for about 15 minutes. I know it seemed like a long time. And then you slowly pull it off and it'll come off your head kind of like a wig in a sense. But it's like super stuck on. So I'm just still cutting, being careful not to cut her hair and not to cut the braid. And yeah, I'll show y'all the final result. This probably took me about 2 hours to do. And that girl is finished. Hair done by mom. What would she do without me? I'm her beauty squad. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try it at home. And yeah, let's save some money together. Don't forget to like and subscribe.